So today we're going to tell you how to grow kale from seed right through to harvest. So let's go. Hello, I'm Ray. This is my homegrown vegetable garden. On this channel it's all about growing our own fruit and veg with some garden tips along the way. So please join, please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when we post some more. So today we're showing you how to sow and harvest kale. So join along. So today is 14th of April and we're going to sow some kale. So I'm just filling up my tray. General purpose compost. Then I'm going to make 2 dents in each cell. And then we take our kale seeds and they're very small, and we're just going to put 2 in each cell. Although they're so tiny, doesn't matter if more than one goes in each hole. So we're planting this. And there we go. A couple left. And we're just going to cover up the top of the tray. Within 14 to 20 days, the seedlings should appear. So we're going to put this onto the seed tray and give it a water. So after 3 to 4 weeks, the germination was quite good and they built up some good root system. We're now going to transfer them into the bigger pot. So these can grow on, get a good root before they get planted out. I'm still keeping them in the bunches. And then they can be split when they've grown on. So we've done this with all the seedlings. And we can look forward. Girly cow. So all done. So we're now in June and the kale is looking good. And now it's ready to be planted out. Our cauliflowers didn't do great this year, so they're going to go into the cauliflower bed. So now we're in June and we're going to plant out the kale. Remove some of these weeds, stingers. So this is the kale. These were sown in the cell trays, 14th of April, and grown on in a small pot, from the cell tray into the small pot, and now they're going into the tunnel. This is only a netted tunnel. It just gives it a bit of protection from the birds. So here we go. So we're just going to take our kale. As you can see, the roots is rather strong. So we're just literally digging our holes. And then we're going to break away a certain part. So we've got a single seedling. And we stick it in the hole. And there we go. We just get some water. We'll fill in the hole, and then that's the job done. There we go. And that's the kale planted. Sorted. So today we're going to look at harvesting our kale, and this was the curly kale, and we sowed this mid-April. We started this in cell trays, and we moved up to the smaller pots, and then we planted it out. We planted this in one of our new raised beds, and we've done some in the netted tunnel. So it's all looking good, nice and fresh. So we take a cut and come approach, and we take our leaves and we just snap, leaving some of the bigger leaves on so the plant can still photosynthesize. And the general rule of thumb is the smaller plants, smaller leaves are more tasty. So we're just going round pinching one or two leaves from each plant. And that's looking good. Just choosing one or two of each plant. That's a nice bunch of kale. So this is our kale. We're going to take this home and we'll have it for our lunch today. So thank you very much for watching. If you found this interesting and helpful, then why not subscribe? Please ring the bell, get notifications when I post some more. And we look forward to leaving any comments. Do you grow any kale? Let me know. Be interesting to see. And what types of kale. So thank you very much. Cheers. If kales are left, they can grow up to 2 foot tall. So it's best to keep harvesting.